Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotels. We are here back in Nashville, Tennessee at the Graduate by Hilton. So, yep, checked in here. Let's see what we got. Nice, security stuff, gold finishes, switches. This room is a corner room king. So, this is not your regular king room. Our little closet area. Up there, that's where your extra towels are going to be. And toilet paper you put in this nice little fancy bag. And hair dryer. Like your iron board. Got some mirrors to check yourself out before you go bar hopping. Alright, so let's get one thing out of this way. There are some maintenance issues. Stuff like this. Stuff like that I feel like should not be here. Considering the rack rate of this room, which I did not pay. Employee rate, $60 after tax. So I'm not complaining. But if you guys paid almost over $400 plus a mandatory resort fee, resort destination charge they call it, which gives you bikes, a $20 food beverage credit, which is pretty good, and premium internet, which internet does not seem to work that good. But point it out, I like to be honest with you guys, if you're going to be spending that kind of money, not making this place, not complaining about this place for what I pay, especially for what I pay, but this is a really nice hotel. Anyway, so here's the bathroom. All right, we got these nice gold finishes everywhere. That's pretty cool. This black wall with the gold finishes, that's pretty cool. I like this bathroom. It's different. It's a more boutique. That's what the Graduate brand is aiming for. Here's a shitter. American Standard. Give it all a flush. Very good. Here's your sink and our mirror. What's up, guys? We got our mirror, another one. That's a little loose. All right. Let's put that like that. We got our nice looking shower here. Bath mat. Nice shower. It looks nice and clean. Grout lines look good. Our bath amenities. Nice bathroom. Here's another pan in the bathroom. Let's get to the rest of the room. All right. So this is a corner king. And we got our drawers and stuff here. Soft closing furniture. Very nice. Outlets by the bed on a lamp there. I like that. This nice carpet. Got this little thing to set your luggage on. Got stuff like that. I feel like that shouldn't, be there for this class of hotel. Get a magic eraser and that would get that off. Outlet. Again, I'm not nitpicking what I'm finding in this room. I'm just showing you guys if you're gonna pay the $400 and something dollars. You know what I mean? Don't get me wrong. This is still a very nice room. But the point of these videos is to show you what you're gonna get. Our AC controls, central stuff unit. So this corner room, we got our nice TV here. We got these nice windows right here. This is very nice. I really do like this room. Graduate Hotels, show the logo. Got this cool old looking retro phone. Got this nice chair. Outlets for the desk. That's always good if you need to do some work. Got this nice window right here. We have the electric tea maker. So that's different on coffee maker, but tea maker. They give you tea here, which is a cool touch. Not gonna lie. And we got all your tea right there in this nice little container. Pay attention to detail. I love that. Right here, we got another window with this nice little couch. It's not a pull-out, it's just a regular couch. So you got that. And you got this cool looking mirror looking table here. Mirrors on all sides with this book. Lamp. Got this carpet. Got this pen and paper. Alright, we got an actual pencil. That's pretty cool. Graduate Hotels. I guess that's their slogan. We are all students. That's cool. That's pretty different that they give you a pencil. Adds to the brand. I love that. Alright, here's our king size bed. Okay. Looks nice. It's different that they have this little canopy thing over the bed here. Adds to their brand. I think all different not canopy hotels, all different graduate hotels are gonna be it's gonna be a different decor. I think it's like compared to a Hotel Indigo from IHG. Anyways, so they got this. I think you can untie this and cover your bed if you want to, make it more private. You actually got a light in here, and you actually got this picture right suspended right here, which is different. But yeah, comment below if you know who this is or it's just someone random. I don't know. We got this throw pillow, so we're gonna throw that pillow. We got this nice size king bed. This thing looks pretty nice. Got a little bed of nothing. Okay, so let's do a bed test. All right. Yeah, man. Let's do the bed test again. A little firm. Not too. I think it's more on the firm side. So we got that. Peels back. I think Graduate Hotels just joined Hilton a couple years back, and they have a 10-year contract with Hilton. With the Hilton portfolio. Mattress protector, I like that. Got a newer style mattress. Everything good. Staff has been good here. And yeah. We'll take another pan of this room. I think we got some stuff like this. It's just basic preventive maintenance could be happening, but all in all though, I love this place. I like this corner room. Definitely would recommend if you're in Nashville. You are a 37-minute walk from Lower Broadway with all the bars and honky tonks. Keep that in mind. But yeah, but the attention to detail here is pretty cool. All the stuff they got. Show you back in the bathroom here. A little guitar neck there. So very cool hotel. They give you $20 food and beverage credit on their lounge, restaurant, 24th floor, and a little breakfast grab and go thingy. You can use your credit in the lobby for. And I was just up there, used my credit. I'm a Hilton Gold member, so I get another $15 on top of that, $35. I got an appetizer and 3 Michelob Ultras in the cans for $38. And that's after all the county tax, Tennessee tax, and they add a tip on there automatically. So the gratuity is added automatically there. So, I made out pretty good there. Not bad. $5 for a can beer, Could have been a lot worse. So I think that's pretty reasonably priced. It's a really cool cocktail lounge restaurant they got up there on the 24th floor. So anyway, if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. And KW out.